Welcome to Stay HighWhey. This video is for anyone who's tired of fitness feeling confusing, stressful, and impossible to stick to. No extreme diets, no fake motivation, just simple explanations, visuals, and habits that actually work in real life. Today, we're starting with the most important topic in fitness: calories.
Let me guess. You wake up tired. You promise yourself, today I'll eat clean. By evening, you're stressed, hungry, scrolling, and the plan is gone. And now you're confused. Why am I working out but not losing fat? Why am I eating more but not gaining muscle? Are calories even real, or is fitness just broken? Nothing is wrong with you. You were just never taught this one thing properly. Let me explain calories. Simple, visual, no nonsense. Stay with me. This will change how you see food forever. Think of your body like a phone. Calories are the battery charge. Every move you make, walking, thinking, breathing, training, uses battery. Food gives you battery back. That's it. A calorie is not fat. A calorie is not bad. It's just energy. Your body doesn't care if the energy came from rice, bread, or whey. It only cares about how much came in and how much went out. That's where everything begins. Here's the rule that never changes. If you eat more calories than you burn, you gain weight. If you eat fewer calories than you burn, you lose weight. This is called energy balance. It's science, not opinion, not Instagram advice. Now here's where people struggle. They think, I barely eat. But they forget liquid calories, snacks while scrolling, weekends, stress eating. Calories sneak in quietly. And when progress doesn't happen, motivation dies. Not because you're lazy, but because you're confused. Now, here's the part everyone gets wrong. Fat loss and muscle gain are not the same goal. Let's break them apart. Goal: lose body fat. You need calorie deficit, eat less than you burn, enough protein, strength training. Your body uses stored fat as energy. Simple. Not easy, but simple. Goal: build muscle. You need calorie surplus, eat slightly more, high protein, progressive training, rest. Muscle doesn't grow in starvation. It grows when food, training, and recovery align. Trying to lose fat and gain muscle aggressively at the same time? That's why you feel stuck. Beginners can do a little of both. Advanced lifters must choose a phase. Clarity is progress. Let's destroy a few lies quickly. No, too many calories do. No, no food burns fat magically. No, they still matter. No, you can't out-train overeating forever. No usually leads to binge eating later. You don't need extreme rules. You need awareness. You skip breakfast. You're busy, rushing, energy low, focus low. You grab random snacks. Calories add up quietly. Stress hits, hunger hits, control disappears. Sound familiar? Here's the fix: simple actions. Keeps you full, protects muscle. Not forever, just awareness. Be consistent, not perfect. Small steps every day. If you failed before, it's not because you lack discipline. You were fighting blind. Now you see the rules. And when you understand the rules, you stop blaming yourself. Calories are not the enemy. Confusion is. Once you understand energy, fitness becomes calm, predictable, controlled. No more guessing, no more guilt. Just progress. Stay patient, stay consistent, stay fueled. Stay HighWhey. If this helped you even a little, like the video. If you want simple, animated fitness explained properly, subscribe. And share this with someone who's trying, but feels lost. We're building better habits together. See you in the next one.